Okay guys, this video is to give an answer about the problems that we see about people complaining that the Ecovacs X8 and X11 is keeping and dropping drops on the floor while it's working. So one of the common reason is that because there's a chamber here in the behind that it's supposed to collect all the dirty waters that the roller is being washed while he's doing the mopping. And if you do not take this chamber and clean it thoroughly, what will happen is that all the residue and all the dust and all the dust that is stuck here will cause it to not be collected correctly, and then you will have an issue that this pipe that's supposed to take all the water and put it here inside will not do its job correctly, and then you will see the drops on the floor. The quickest thing is to take 1 week and just clean it. Just take this, clean everything inside, including the filter. Have a brush, put it inside, make it to work, and make it also sure that while you clean it, just fill it up with water and press at least 10 times to make sure that all the dirt that is stuck here will go down. And then just bring it back, and that's it. It's supposed to solve the problem. Because one of the issues is that people think that if you have a robot, vacuum robot, it's that it's supposed to clean itself and it's supposed to make everything by himself. But that's not the case, because just like a car needs to have maintenance, and this one also needs a maintenance because he's collecting a lot of residue, a lot of dust, a lot of dirt, and it needs help. And if you help him and take care of it, he will give you love. So just do it. Just make sure that you do it every week and the drops will disappear. Happy to help.